Hi there, my name is Josiah Paletta, and I will be teaching Civil War this year. This is the second year that I've taught it. Last year it became a course for the first time, so Ms. Ada Blue and I did some work to be able to get this class to be kind of how we wanted it to be designed. The reason why we pushed so hard for Civil War is because we realized that in the past, students weren't learning about the Civil War, and part of that was because they were supposed to learn in 8th grade, but it's at the end of the course, and there's no end of course exam that corresponds to social studies. So a lot of times more time is spent doing or things like English, math, and science that do have an end of course exam. So we push hard to have this class because even more now than ever, we're starting to realize that there's a divide in our nation, and that divide is not a new divide. It is something that happened a long time ago, and we try to focus on how that divide started, and how after the American Revolution, divides started to occur between slavery and non-slavery. And so, and even after Reconstruction of the Civil War, after the Civil War ended, that there was still a divide in our nation. And so we learned how we got there, how there's always been some sort of divide, whether it's been a plethora of different issues. We just focus primarily on the slavery issue, with it being the Civil War. But we just describe how we got there, how we got to the start of the Civil War, then events all throughout the Civil War, and then how the end of the Civil War looked, how Reconstruction looked. So hopefully by now your student has brought home a syllabus for you to sign, just showing that you read over information, mainly no cell phones, leave earbuds out, turn in policy, stuff like that. We're trying more and more to do submission on Echo, and in case we would have go e-learning again for some reason. And I think they got that for the most part. They should turn that in. But I look forward to working with your children and having a new group of students to be able to teach this to, with it being the second year. So we're going to tweak some things, make some things a little bit better, and hopefully your student really enjoys it as much as I will. Thank you.